Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'll be doing final test on Michael's Breckwell brand Pellet Stove Controller. This is an older analog unit. If you look through my video history, you'll see that just about a month and a half ago, I did repairs on this controller. Unfortunately, when I sent it to Michael, it became hung up in the mail and was returned to me just today after a month and a half. So I took it out of the package, and right now I'm doing another test on it to make sure that all is well and that it's in perfect condition when Michael receives it. So I have it connected to my tester. My tester is made up of an auger motor behind this white plate with the decal on the front that'll spin when the auger drives. I've got 3 light bulbs in the back: combustion, the auger motor, and the convection. Those light bulbs simulate those 3 features of a stove, and of course Michael's pellet stove. I have the controller connected to my tester, and the tester is powered on, so I can start testing the controller itself. I do have the pellet feed control indicator set to low, so let's go ahead and turn it on. And we see 2 lights have come on: the combustion fan, the exhaust fan itself, and the convection or room fan. That's what I expect to see. A few of the tests that I can do right now is switch through the A, B, C, D, E max positions, and we'll see the intensity of the convection or room fan go higher as we do that. As with all other controllers that I test like this, positions D, E, and max do not make the intensity of the light change. They will not make the fan spin faster. Those are hardwired on the controller, so there's no effect there. But notice that the light intensity changes according to the switch position. The other thing I can do, I'm in low, I can go to high fan, and that causes the fan to run at maximum speed. So that switch is working correctly. And I can do manual feed. When I do that, we'll see the auger light come on, we'll hear the auger motor spin, and we'll see the decal twirl over here. There it is. Release, press, release, press, release. So that's it for the manual testing. We can go into automatic mode now, and to do that we press on the auger button at the center. When I press on that button, the little green LED at the very top will come on, and eventually the auger drive will start spinning, and we'll see a little green LED behind this little hole here come on as well. That may be difficult to see in the camera, but sure enough, there we see the top LED come on, and we're just going to wait because we're in low mode for approximately 20 seconds to pass before the auger drives for the first time. Keep your eye on this spot right here. There's a little hole above the word pellet that should light up, or you'll see some light in the background when the auger does drive. It's a little difficult to see. There it is. So there was a very short drive cycle there. We'll wait again and make it happen one more time, and then we'll switch to high mode. There we go. There's a second cycle, and I'll switch it to high or max, and we see the light intensity increase. What we will see now is that the auger will drive for a longer period of time, and it'll be shorter between drive cycles. Notice that it drove longer there. The period off time will be shorter as well. There you see that. Longer drive, shorter off cycle. Longer drive, shorter off cycle. One last time, and then I'll shut it off. One last time, then I'll shut it off. So there it is. All right, Michael, your returned to me controller is now fully functional again. I'm very happy that the post office managed to get it back to me. It's fully functional, everything works great on it. Just to give you an update, I did replace the rotary switch that's here, and I did replace one of the solid state relay components. So that should make your controller work as good as it can. So that should make your controller work almost like new. I want to thank you for watching this video. For all you viewers, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own that you need repair or you have questions about, please feel free to contact me. My contact information can be seen in the video description just below this video. Feel free to contact me. I service pellet stove controllers from Breckwell, Quadrifire, and United States Stove Company, so if you have one of those brands, don't hesitate to call me. I do service others as well, but I don't see them as often. So thanks everyone for watching this video. Please take a few seconds to give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.